Hey guys, welcome to my channel SanBharti Digital. Hope you all are fine and safe and hope you are enjoying my videos as well. So today I'm coming again with one more super exciting feature of Facebook, and as you know that at present the Facebook 360 series is going on, but I'm providing a different tutorial videos about the Facebook. And in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can optimize your video inside the Facebook Creator Studio. Yes friends, Facebook has introduced a new feature, that's a video optimization inside the Creator Studio. Now, what does it mean exactly? Now, how is Facebook video optimization works? But before moving further, I would like to give you very short information that suppose if you are posting any video in YouTube, so you've seen that the video frame size is always 16:9, means it's a landscape preview. In case of Reels, it is always a 9:16, means it's always a portrait preview. So obviously according to a different content size and different platforms, your video will be automatically converted into a certain frame size. So here in case of Facebook, whatever the videos you are going to post, it will be first appeared into the home feed of your viewers. Now here the problem is the feed size is always a 1:1 or 4:5. So your 16:9 means your landscape video will be automatically reframed into the 1:1 or 4:5 ratio. So earlier you had to do all these things manually. You have to crop according to the feed window size. But here in the new feature, Facebook will automatically optimize and smart crop your video according to the home feed window size. So this is one of the best feature, and damn sure it will definitely increase your reach and give the best experience to your viewers on their home feed. So let's check it out practically how it's possible. So let's start friends, and I'm going to show you where this video optimization means a smart cropping feature is available in Facebook and how you can reach there and how you can use it. First of all, go to your Facebook, and then at the left side you can see different options. Just move around and just find out a Creator Studio. Creator Studio. If you are a content creator, I'm damn sure you are very much familiar with the Creator Studio. It is one of the best place for all the creators inside the Facebook. So after go to Creator Studio, simply click on the create new, and it will ask you what you are supposed to post. So obviously this feature, whatever I'm going to show you, is related with the video. So here I'm going to choose upload video option. So just find out whatever you want to post. So I'm going to simply go through my directory and I will find out whatever I want to post. Any of the video you can simply post. So just choose any of the video, whatever you want to post. So after choosing the video, this new pop-up window will be open on your screen, and I'm damn sure you are very much familiar about this, because if you have experience about the YouTube video upload, so this is almost same. If you remember, in the YouTube also it will ask you to give all the details about your video, like video description, video title, thumbnail, tags, etc, etc. So here the same kind of format is there. So I don't think I should teach you all the things in detail. I'm damn sure if you will go through it, it's very easy. You just need to give some title of your video. So I'm going to give Facebook page template. You can give the description, you can give the thumbnail. So this is not I'm going to teach you, because this video is not for that. So I'm directly skip this and I'm going to jump on the specific part which I wanted to show you, and that is optimize. At the left side you can see three options: create, optimize and publish. And create is the first one. Right now here it is, and the second is optimize, which is the main part which I wanted to show you and for which I made this video. Captions, you know very well what is caption is, so I'm not supposed to give any details about captions. Directly go to the video optimization. This is the part which I wanted to show you. This is the new feature of Facebook, video optimization. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will open two options, auto and advanced. Now first of all, what is it? If you want to have some brief about it, you can simply go through the right side of content. Smart cropping and smart preview. What does it mean? As you know that different devices are having a different window size, different aspect ratios of video, different frame size. So if you really want to improve your engagement and if keep your viewers watching for longer, so it is always recommended that your video should be in a perfect aspect ratio based on a certain devices. Right? Suppose somebody is using tablet, somebody is using mobile phone, somebody is using computer, desktop. So according to the screen size, your video will be automatically smart cropped. So it is one of the best part, I think, and it's also having a full description, full details. If you really want to know from the technical side that how exactly it works, so this is one of the best, content you can just go through and you can have the knowledge how it's work. And the second one is smart preview. What does it mean exactly? You may be able to spark your viewers' interest and keep them watching for longer by showing them a short preview of your video's most interesting content. Suppose your video is having a 10 minutes of length. Now out of this 10 minutes, you need to find out which is the most interesting part, which you can, show to your audience and you can just keep them engaged or keep them attract. So this is called a smart preview, that out of the full, movie, you just need to find out the best teaser part. Now here the thing is, most difficult part is you need to identify that which part is the best part of your video. So I always insist to go with the auto mode instead of advanced. If you will go with the advanced, it will ask you to do something manually. So I always insist you just go through the auto part. Auto means let the Facebook decide the best part of your video among the full, and the smart cropping. So automatically Facebook will crop in a different aspect ratios according to different versions. So let the Facebook do both the things for you. You're not supposed to bother and you're not supposed to worry how you can do it manually. I never suggest to do it manually. Always let the Facebook decide everything about your video. So it will give you best optimization result of your video inside the Creator Studio. So I'm damn sure it will really helps you to reach to more and more audience. You can engage with the more viewers and you can have the best part of your video on the home feed of your viewers. So by this way, you can seriously have the more fan following, you can have the more viewership, and it will really worth to do it. So just try it, just check the auto mode, click on the done, then publish, do all the rest of the things as per your video content, and that's all. You simply hit on the publish button. And see guys, once you hit the publish button, it will appear this pop-up on your screen. It says video post processing. Your videos optimization are processing. Once they're ready, your video will be published automatically. So it will take some time for the optimization and for the best outcome. Once it is ready, it will be automatically published on your Facebook account. So this is all about the Facebook smart cropping and video optimization. Hope you like. So hope you enjoyed it and hope it's very clear to you. And still, if you're having any doubt or query, you can put a comment below, as well as you can write an email to me personally. I will try to attend each and every query. So hope you will try this, and I'm always there to help you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly just go to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. And guys, just go to the playlist, and also you can see a Facebook 360 tutorial series where I have uploaded so many videos regarding the Facebook tutorial. You can learn so many things into the depth for you and for your business also. And just see, Facebook is not only what you can see, but it's beyond that. There are so many good things which you can implement, which you can try for your business, and at a long time you can really see the result and impact of it. So must go through it and watch all the videos. Thank you very much.